Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my video vlog. Video vlog. Today I'm not in South Java because I'm in South Sumatra right now. I'm in Palembang City because we have assessment. And assessment is we go in South Sumatra or Palembang City. I'm waiting my friend. I'm in SPBU right now. I'm watching my friend. She's so long. Today is Thursday and I wanna go to Ampera Bridge. Me and my friend, we wanna go to Ampera Bridge. And tomorrow I'm in ship and train and others. There is truck, and truck is the color of truck is white. And there is Terios car, and the color is gray. Okay guys, maybe this is video. See you in next video guys.